Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a share. So we thought we were going to be taking a 2-week trip, and it didn't work out, and that's fine. I ended up being terribly ill. It would have been an exhausting trip. My daughter, my youngest daughter who lives with us still, she got sick, and I think we would have coughed all across America and back. So but we are taking a short trip. So for all the things I had prepared for us to do some journaling, I'm excited to share with you guys. So some of this you guys have already seen. So this is an Archer Olive. Well, there goes my husband on the mower, or my daughter. So it is a dot grid journal. I am super excited. Plus I loaded it full of all kinds of goodies from Archer Olive, and I've shared all of this in a haul. So this one is gonna be moi. I'm also taking along a little gratitude notebook that I also got from One Canoe 2, and so I am excited to, so you can see that, onecanoe2.com. I'm excited to take that and begin that. Now, for the others, I picked up something super easy. I have pre-cut, and I'll share with you in a minute, all the things that can be used. But, and I'm also going to take my HP sprocket and my HP 6x4, I think that's the size, not cards, picture printer. But I also wanted to do something very easy peasy lemon squeezy for my family. So I picked up these off of Amazon. And you're probably wondering, why Amazon? Well, I just happened to be going through it and I thought, ooh, I like that. Now, I don't know if they're going to use these or they're not, but I will give that to my husband because he's always asking me for mine. I'm not sure that they will use these either, but we will see. So I have this one, and it has a butterfly, and then I have this one, and one of them is for my daughter, and one of them, it was supposed to be for me, because I don't think my husband is going to do a butterfly or a cat, right? You know, I mean, let's get real. And I really love this one. So let's open them up. I just already packed my scissors with my my planner. Hold on. I'm going to catch up on my planner and go back in and fill in information when I was gone. And when I was sick, I mean. So, gone like in La La Land, sleeping. Yeah, it really was wild. All right. So, there we go. Last time I think I was that sick. It's been a while. I do have a problem because of my autoimmune. When I get sick, I get really sick. But the reason that all began was in college when I was doing mission work for church. I got mono, and then it developed into Epstein-Barr or chronic mono. And so as a result, yeah, I was literally in 100-something degree weather in South Texas and Kingsville, Texas, in the hot sun, dusty, doing door-to-door canvassing surveys, and oh my goodness, leading Bible studies. It was so hot. But isn't this, it's all pre-done paper. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, for somebody who's like, I don't want to do all the extra gadgets, they can print their pictures out, I can give them something to write on, and then there they go. But isn't this just beautiful? And I saw these and I just thought, huh. And I wanted to give one to my husband, pardon me, but they were really more girly. And I don't think, like, he's not going to do a cat, I mean, he could put a sticker on top of it, but it just, it's very floral, very feminine. I love this. Anyways, it just goes on and on. There is a point at which it repeats. I think they do every 4, you see it 4 times within the journal, but it is gorgeous. It has a magnet. Isn't that pretty? It's leather. It has a pleather cover. Let me see if it says here. Well, it does, but it is not in English. And so, anyways, you can just see how beautiful those are. And yes, I will save that, and yes, I will use that. So, let me see if it says here on the front. It's been a while since I ordered it. So this is With Moon Midnight. So if I can find it again, I'll put the link below. But I love this. This one, it came with the sticky notes. It also came with beautiful butterfly stickers. And I think you can see all of them there. They're vellum, they're see-through, they're gorgeous. Yeah. Gorgeous. All right, now I think that came with this one. Yeah, because I think the other one had these. So if you haven't noticed, there's like it's a little plastic thing. It also gives you measurement and a straight edge that you can underline with. Yes. Okay, so let's see what this one looks like. I almost want to think they're going to be the same on the inside. I ordered these so long ago, guys. I'm so sorry. You think I could remember, but let's get real. I think it's just too much fun. So, all right, throw away trash. Another magnetic clip. This one has a cat sitting on a half moon with all the butterflies in the field. And, yeah, it looks like similar pages. Let's see. Very pretty. Ooh, a little bit different. All right, so you could, oh no, there's some similarities. Yeah, they may be the same. They look very, yeah, they're the same. That's okay, because they are beautiful. And this one came with beautiful star clips, but I probably will give more like journaling spots and picture, the HP Sprocket pictures are sticker pictures, so that'll be easy, and they can put that in, and then they can journal. So there are those. So I may leave this one here. I don't think I'm going to take it. I thought I was, I don't know. Maybe I'll take it, and I don't know. We'll see. And then last but not least, I got this one for my husband. It's very just simplified. It's manly. It's all that good stuff. It is a very pretty, sorry for the rattle, navy. It has a pretty ribbon to divide with, and it has dot grid. So I was thinking, you know, he could journal, he could put stickers in, he could let this be all about his new used boat, new to us boat. He could do whatever he wants. It has a place for us, you know, extra goodies. It does not have a pin space, but sometimes, yeah, you can just add it right there. You can clip it on. So, but I think I am going to give him those because I think he would enjoy these. So, and that's pretty much all I'm going to do because, you know, guys are guys. They're not going to do a whole lot. So, there's that. I also will be taking some gorgeous tape, washi tape. These are from Art Options Avesta, or 49th and Market. Sorry. And I also picked up this. That is from 49th and Market. There's several of these. I'm thinking it was Amazon. But these are so beautiful. There's a ton of this. I'll come back with more of this next week when I get back. But I am going to take these because they're already beautifully packed. Just beautiful kind of, what do you want to say? Translucent, dreamy, kind of washi. And of course, you know I had to have floral. I haven't even opened this one. I have been, I'm surprised I didn't open this one. I was a sick girl, guys. So that one had 6 rolls. This one has 4. This one took longer to get because everybody wants the one with the flowers, right? I mean, that's what I wanted. And I love pink and green. And oh my goodness, it did not disappoint. Isn't that beautiful? And it's like a cloth. It's like cloth washi. Ooh. Ooh. Now I know why. And what is that? Oh, to cut it. Oh my goodness gracious. Do you guys have these cutters for your plastic wrap? If you don't, go get one. They are fantastic here they're fantastic on Amazon, and I will reglue that so it will travel better. I love this. I cannot wait to play. I think this is gonna be fun. All right, so I have those washi, and then let me show you what I did to prep. So hopefully this was way before I got sick. Way before. So I had been prepping things from Felicity Jane. I have this project that I'm going to film while I'm out, the card project, that I've been promising you guys forever. And so I put it in there because I can fold it over. But this was something I received, and so I saved these bags and I reuse them. So I have my journaling like you guys do, and I save every little thing. Use every part of the buffalo. So I have those strips. They're the branding strips, so I can use those instead of washing. I have all kinds of dividers and ephemera and all different versions. So I just went through and packed plenty of these out. And some more. I did double up some. I did throw in some of the stickers and all the goodies from Felicity Jane. I doubled up any of the letters, any of the stickers that I could save space on. And then I cut, and I cut, and I cut, and I cut. So, whoops. Oh, and I did put in some of the twine that I have that is not Felicity Jane. I did put in the Felicity Jane, some of the little buttons, and then, of course, those beautiful bows. And yes, my husband will not use that. He will look at me as if I sprung 3 heads. So I basically cut apart each one of these kits. I saved the color squares. I saved the color strips and the name. And then I also just cut everything up so I could use it. And these fit, and I will show you, these fit beautifully in this particular planner. Those, I don't think they fit as well, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It fits beautifully, and then I can just keep on journaling. So I think this is going to be a fun part of the project. And then I also saved like even the smaller pieces and even more small. So I saved everything. I don't want to take a trimmer, so I'm not taking a trimmer. And just so you know, like in Felicity Jane, both sides have color. I'm not taking a trimmer. I just don't want to do it. Now, how beautifully do these colors all kind of go together? I know, they're gorgeous. It even matches those cards over there. I kind of have a theme of colors I love. Can you tell? And, but I'm excited to take this. I think this is a great launching point. And then hold on. I will share with you the rest that I have. So I'm going to very carefully put these back in before I mess them up. And, but I also packed out some other goodies, and I will show you what I did so that we have everything that we need. And I have a little cart right here. It has my Bible study. It will have my books I'll read. It will have my computer, and it will have this. And that's it. And it's just a scrapbooking cart. So, yeah, I'm really excited. And actually, I think what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to bend that, and then I'm going to put these in here. And that is going to be a fun video to share. It is a super easy peasy card. Okay, now, let me show you what else I did. So, as I was pre-packing everything, sorry, don't mean to turn away from you guys. I have all my tape runners, and I'm using up my other tape runners. This is a tape dot. These are tape runners. I also have just various bags that I have filled. These are filled with my Stampin' Up! water brushes, you know, another ruler, pencil sharpener, glue, whatever else that I could think I might need. Bits and pieces of ephemera are in here, and just like clips and whatnot. So that is what, and more tape runner, if you couldn't see. I don't know why it is, but the minute you don't take tape runner, you run out. The day you do take tape runner, you end up with it everywhere. Yeah, I know. Okay, this is going to be fun to close back up. So in here, I have Bible journaling. This is a lot of my Bible journaling. I also have some of my Bible journaling in here, and with my one planner I'm taking. So this is my Bible journaling bag. I'm super excited to take that. And then, hang with me, I also have, hold on. I've got these that I'm going from DEK. I'll put that in there with my Bible journaling. I also have some fun little stickers from Daiso and bits and pieces that I think will be fun. I think my daughter will love that. And then I also have more of DEK. I'm trying to see. I do have my Bible journaling in here. So I'm going to take that and put that in my Bible journaling box with my other planner. And that's it. I know you're probably thinking, how many days are going to be going? Oh, with you. But it's just a really big part of my life. I've always carried things. I've flown on airplanes. I went to Las Vegas, which we've never been to Las Vegas. Don't think we'll ever go again. My husband was speaking at a conference there. It was an international conference, so it was a big deal. And he's spoken in San Francisco. He's spoken in a lot of places. And so I'm always blessed to get to go with him. We both looked at each other and went, Las Vegas. I mean, it's not our cup of tea, but I met the most incredible Christians there. And I took a whole suitcase of crafting. And so this is minor. I mean, we're talking a huge suitcase. So let me show you my little, I'll just move you ever so quietly, very carefully. Hold on, let me take you out. Sorry guys, I'm gonna kind of